So I had somebody in one of the Discords ask about making the DLWE dynamic landscape weather effects work with the Brushify Forest Pack. I guess they were having problems. I haven't actually heard back from them about their graphs or anything, but I went ahead and set up the Brushify Forest Pack with the non-nanite dynamic landscape weather effects, and I wanted to check the performance. It seems like there's a ton going on, right? But if you even just play this in a standalone Pi window, so basically it sort of pre-compiles the game and then puts it in its own window. I added a little FPS counter just to sort of check performance. Inside the editor, FPS is down at like 60, but when you click over to standalone, you get, it looks like it averages about 120. And then I deliberately ran over to this spot where the material is broken to see if it would have any issues with FPS drop when there was some materials that didn't compile properly. But apparently in the standalone, they're like, well, it didn't compile, so fuck it. So this is also at 4K, and I'm running a 4090 with the 14900K Intel processor, so 120 plus FPS at 4K, not bad.